Welcome to Verrado, Arizona, where luxury meets tranquility. Today, we are thrilled to present to you our new listing that epitomizes modern comfort and elegance. For the discerning chef, this gourmet kitchen is a true delight. With top-of-the-line appliances and ample counter space, you will enjoy all of your culinary creativity. Nestled within this exclusive gated community, this single-level masterpiece offers the epitome of luxury living, boasting a great room for entertaining, plus an Arizona room to soak in the views year-round, with moving glass wall system. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an atmosphere of sophistication and warmth. The expansive living spaces are adorned with high-end finishes and tasteful decor, creating an ambiance that's both inviting and stylish, with high ceilings and natural light pouring in through the large windows. This masterfully designed floor plan, with each bedroom featuring its own ensuite bathroom, offering privacy and comfort for all occupants. Perhaps the crowning jewel of this exceptional home is its outdoor sanctuary. Step outside and you'll be greeted by a backyard retreat like no other. Enjoy al fresco dining on the expansive patio, soak in the sun, or simply unwind as you take in the majestic views of the surrounding mountains. This is more than just a home. This is a lifestyle experience. Contact us today to schedule your showing.